Is your Roborock Q7 Max Plus acting like it's totally lost its mind? Maybe it's spinning in endless circles, or worse, just refusing to leave the dock while shouting that dreaded alert. Error 1. Here's what's happening. Your robot has effectively gone blind. That turret on top houses the laser distance sensor. When you have a faulty Lidar, usually caused by a burnt-out rotation motor or debris, the vacuum cannot map your home. You can't just ignore this one. Without Lidar, the vacuum can't map, can't clean, and trying to force it to run can actually damage the main motherboard. But don't throw it out. RoboCare specializes in robot vacuum repair, and we fix this issue every single day. Here at RoboCare, we aren't just general electronics fixers. We specialize exclusively in robot vacuum repair. Our technicians have logged thousands of hours working specifically on Roborock architecture. We know the Q7 Max Plus inside and out, understanding that this model's precision navigation requires an expert touch. We don't guess when it comes to diagnostics. We use advanced testing equipment to isolate the faulty Lidar module responsible for the crash. Once identified, we don't just patch it up, we replace the defective laser unit with genuine components that match factory standards, ensuring your robot can map your home perfectly again. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Just look at that difference. After a precision repair at RoboCare, the Lidar is spinning, the navigation is flawless, and this Roborock Q7 Max Plus is back to mapping and cleaning with zero errors. It's like it just came out of the factory. Don't let Error 1 gather dust. Contact RoboCare today, visit our website, or call us to book your repair.